Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, October 27th. We saw a low of 60 degrees this morning across the Wallops region, also seeing yet another morning of low cloudiness across the region, which has been the recurring theme for the past week or so. Going to see maybe a little bit of sunshine very briefly early this afternoon, and then seeing low clouds persist as we go into this evening and into tonight. Take a look at our surface analysis across the region. Do have a very weak front across the region. That did spark off a sprinkle or two across the area earlier this morning, and really all that's done is help to shift those winds briefly northwesterly, and they will continue that way as we go into the early afternoon hours. Otherwise, still seeing light flow across the region with those moist boundary layer conditions, and that is helping to keep these low clouds persistent across the region. Our next weather maker is going to be in the form of some moisture across the Midwest combining with this tropical system that's expected to impact the Gulf, and that will combine to give us quite a bit of rain as we go into our Thursday and Friday. Take a brief look at our satellite across the region. You've seen another morning of pretty widespread low cloudiness across the entire region. Much of Virginia and the Delmarva does have these low clouds. I'm not really seeing too much of a signal for them to break up, but could be seeing a little bit of sunshine peek through as we go into the early afternoon. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds, seeing pretty much west to west northwesterly winds across the entire column, 10 to 15 knots from 1,000 feet to 6,000 feet, then increasing up to 25 knots at 9,000 feet, continuing to increase fairly steadily up to 62 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning rather high for this time of year, just below 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high this afternoon of around 69 degrees. With a low of 58 degrees tonight, which is rather mild. That's about 10 degrees higher than we would normally see this time of year. Winds today are going to be northwesterly around 5 to 10 knots, then starting to weaken as we get towards the afternoon hours, becoming light and variable towards the late afternoon and into the early evening. And then after midnight, seeing those winds shift southwesterly at 3 to 8 knots, increasing to 7 to 12 knots by the mid-morning hours of Wednesday. Going to be seeing those low clouds continue throughout this morning, and like I said, maybe seeing a peak of sunshine towards the early afternoon hours, and then seeing those low clouds redevelop once again as we get into late this afternoon and throughout the overnight hours. So taking a look at our terminal forecast, seeing a broken cloud at 500 feet, overcast at around 1,000 to 1,500 feet currently. As we get towards the afternoon, we should see those ceilings rise to around 1,000 feet or so, with maybe a peak of sunshine or two, and then seeing those ceilings drop down to near 500 feet by sunset tonight. And then as we go into the overnight hours, possibly seeing those ceilings drop down as low as 300 feet or so once again, as we're going to be stuck into this persistent pattern for another day or so. We are seeing our tides 1/2 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. So taking a look at our long-range weather model here, as we go into tonight, going to be seeing a little bit of moisture across the northern Delmarva. Don't believe any of that's going to come down to here, but we could be seeing a sprinkle or two up near Salisbury and areas north of there for the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, seeing another morning with some light flow, and that's going to, like I said, give us some more low clouds across the region. And then we'll be seeing this warm front start to approach the area as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday, and then seeing things become a little bit more mild Wednesday night, and then possibly seeing some showers develop late Wednesday night in the pre-dawn hours of Thursday. Then we see this tropical system that's going to be tropical system, which is currently named Zeta, and that's going to be impacting as a hurricane or tropical storm along the Alabama, Mississippi coast. That's going to then make its way towards our area in the form of an extratropical cyclone, giving us widespread scattered showers throughout the entire day Thursday and into Thursday night, possibly even seeing a chance of a thunderstorm Thursday night as the main low passes over the Delmarva. We're then going to see showers persist behind that system as we go into Friday. We're also going to be seeing those temperatures drop throughout the day of Friday as well, as we see those persistent showers throughout much of the morning hours. It does look like there is a chance it could be finished by the afternoon, but this model still does have those showers persisting throughout the entire day Friday. And then Saturday is looking chilly as we have cool, dry air mass moving in behind that system across the area. That'll help to clear our skies out a bit and also give us a very chilly and much drier air mass across the region. That should persist through Sunday, and then we'll have another front approach the area late in the day Sunday and into Sunday night, giving us another chance of some isolated showers, and then another shot of cold air to start our work week next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, cloudy for today and tomorrow. High today just under 70 degrees. Tomorrow, high a little bit warmer, 72, as we'll have a warm front approaching the area. Thursday is seeing that high all the way up into the mid 70s, even though we're going to be seeing rain throughout the day associated with the remnants of that tropical system. Also seeing that very mild low Thursday morning, only down to 63 degrees. Friday, we're going to be seeing our high temperature early in the morning around 60 or 61 degrees, and the temperatures will be falling throughout the day. Also seeing those showers pretty much throughout the entire morning hours, perhaps into the afternoon as well. We're also going to be seeing those winds kick up, looking like a likely wind advisory for Friday behind that front as high pressure builds in behind it. Saturday's looking chilly, high only up to 55 degrees under partly perhaps mostly cloudy skies with a chilly low of 40 degrees Saturday morning. Sunday's going to be dry for most of the day, high of 67. We're going to be seeing a low temperature Saturday night early, and then temperatures look to be rising throughout much of the night, and then seeing that chance of an additional front move across the area. Not looking like very high rain chances. It's going to be a pretty dry system, so only a 30% chance of a late shower for Sunday and the Sunday night. And then Monday we'll have a reinforcing shot of a cool, dry air moving through the area with temperatures in the low 50s under partly cloudy skies. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.